am going to share my screen. I hope you can see chapter 8. Chapter 8 means our school. The place that we are missing right now. Yes, our school. And you all are our new student and you are also missing your school. So let's learn about school. What is a school? Okay. Look at the book. Our school. We wake up early in the morning. We wake up early. Yes, Pratusha. Unmute your device. Unmute your device, then talk to me.
I go to the toilet.
Yes, you can. So, school. We wake up early in the morning and get ready for our school. So, but what is a school? Underline the sentence. Underline the sentence that a school. A school is a place where children go to learn together. A school is a place where children go to learn together. So, school means it is a place where we go to learn together. Not only learn, to learn together. We can learn also in our home, but it can't turn as a school. School is a place where we can learn, where we can study together with our friends. We go to school every day. What do we do in school? What do we do at school? At school, see, this is the answer. In school, we learn to read. We learn to read, write, color, paint, sing, and dance. So these are the things we learn from a school. Learn to read, write, color, paint, sing, dance. And also what we learn from a school, we also learn how to be disciplined in our life, how to behave with others. So about social manners, we also learn from our school. Yes. Now turn the next page. Go to the next page. Now, different rooms in our school. So, school means not a single room under a building. It contains of lots of rooms. So, a school has many classrooms. So, the rooms of a school known as classroom. Rooms of a school is known as classroom, where we do our class. So you know, in a school, for each and every class there has a particular room. For standard 1, a separate room. For standard 2, 3, 4, for all classes there has different rooms. We study in the classroom. Who is the principal? The principal is the head of the school. So principal is a person. Principal is a post. It is the position. And who got the post? The person who is head of the school. And where he sits? Where principal sits? Principal sits in the principal room. So in our school also there has a principal room. Principal room means it is a separate room. It is a individual separate, alada. It is a separate room where he sits. Now, library. So, what is a library? A library, it is not written here. I'm telling you, right? Library is a place where we go to read different kinds of books or for different kinds of book for different subjects, not only for SST. Bengali, Hindi, English, computer, GK, math, science. Okay, you can read any books. You can read any books on different subjects. We all go there and study a different book. Okay, so library is a place where go to read different types of books for different subjects. There is a playground. In a school, there is also at a school also has a playground where we play. We mean student play. Next, staff room. You can say it is also teacher's room. We say also teacher's room. If you visit your you must be visit your school definitely. So we teachers sit in a room that is known as teacher's room, that is also known as staff room. And what do we do there? There they mean teacher. There they take rest and do their work. So staff room mean also teacher's room, where teachers sit together with other teacher and they do their own work. Own work mean different kind of official work. Acha. I'm coming to this tit box later. Let me tell you people at school. The school doesn't mean only principal will be there. School means teacher, student, principal, and few also helper or few servicemen also stay there. Many people work in the school. Some servers in the canteen. Serve mean doing service. Canteen. Now, what is a canteen? Can you see the picture? Canteen mean not kitchen. Canteen mean with attached kitchen. It is a place where we go to have food. Okay, it is a place where we can sit together with our friends and have our breakfast, lunch. So, it's a place, a room, different separate room. Next, sweeper. What does a sweeper do? A sweeper keeps the washroom of a school clean, and also he cleans our school campus. So a sweeper keeps the washroom and the school campus clean. Now, you can ask me, ma'am, what is a campus? CAMPUS. Campus means a building and with it attached area. School campus, office campus mean not only the building, the playground, attached field. Okay, all together it is called campus. School campus means school building with its attached area. The whole area is called school campus. Now, peon. What does a peon do in a school? A peon rings the bell. What does a watchman do? A watchman guards the school and keeps us safe from any unknown person. So a watchman guards the school and keeps us safe from any unknown person. You can see the picture here. Okay. Now we are going to learn very nice thing. Look at this street box, all of you. In early times, schools were known as gurukuls. Gurukul means a new word. It is a new word, no? Deeptha? Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?
Yes, you can. Yes, Arohi.
Ma'am, I go to the toilet.
Yes, you can. Those who want to go toilet, they can. Yes, Ayush.
स्कूल के बोलते हैं गुरुकुल.
Okay. I didn't ask you. Yes. Gurukul. I didn't ask you. I want to tell you. Gurukul mean in early time, in old time, school were known as Gurukul. Gurukul mean Guru mean teacher. Kul mean a house or home. Why it is known as Gurukul? কেন গুরুকুল বলা হতো? Why? Because in early time the student had to stay over there. The student had to stay over there. So gurukul is also just like modern time hostel. তোমরা দুষ্টুমি করলে যেরকম বলা হয় হস্টেলে পাঠিয়ে দেবো, so in old time gurukul mean just like modern time hostel. So student had to go stay over there. Okay, they were not allowed to go their home, only once in a while, maji maji. Okay, but gurukuls, the place were very strict and very disciplined place. Okay, now we completed the chapter. So action replay, what we learned from the chapter. Now first we learned that a school is a place where children go to learn together. Don't tell me that ma'am we go to school to learn. No, we go to school to learn together. We go to school every day. The principal is the head of the school. We have many books in our school library. Many people work in the school: sweeper, peon, watchman, and peon rings the bell, and we learn that if lots of people work in a school. Okay, now do one thing. Now your time to read the chapter 2 times. All of you take your book and read from the first line. Read out the whole sentence from the first line. Do it now. And if you are not having any question, you can drop your hand, because drop your hand, all of you. If you are not having any question, drop your hand. But if you want to ask me anything, yes, Oishani. Yes. Yes. Your voice is not coming to me, Oishani.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, say.
Ma'am, who is the principal of our school?
Who is the principal?
In our school.
The name of our principal is Promit Banerjee. Promit Banerjee. Respected. The name of our respected principal sir is Promit Banerjee. Achha. Yes, Irene.
Our school has canteen.
Canteen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Have you visited our school? When you will visited your school, we see it is now under construction. Okay, under construction. Lots of rooms and canteen, everything will be there. Now it is under construction. Yes, Bornabo. Why are you sitting silently? What I said. Read the chapter. Yes,
How
Bornabo.
many teachers in our school, ma'am?
Not school. Say school.
School.
Yes, say.
How many teachers in our school? School.
No, Bornabo.
Gurukul.
Now tell me. Come near to your microphone and then tell me.
Gurukul means.
Gurukul mean in early time mean in old time, schools were known as gurukuls. School. Gurukul mean also school. Gurukul is also means guru mean teacher and kul mean a house. A home. A home of gurus is known as Gurukul, just like modern day school.
Teacher school.
Not teacher school. Just like hostel, like modern days hostel. Yes, Arshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
L-I-T-R-A-R-Y. Hi, ma'am.
Speak in English. Say again.
Okay, ma'am.
Say again. Ask me again. আরেকবার বলো।
L-I-T-R-A-R-Y. Hi, ma'am.
Which one, Baba? I cannot understand. Which one? Which word?
T-R-A-R-Y.
Library. 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 Library is a room. Library is a room where we go to read lots of books on different subjects. It is a place. Not only place, it is a room. It is a room with lots of books. Go to library to read different types of books. Yes, Mushina.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I
Ajdi, read the chapter. Arvika is reading the chapter very well. Very, very good, Arvika. But what
Ma'am,
about others?
Ari.
1 minute, Mushina. What about other student? What I said to read the chapter 2 times, and what you are doing? What you are doing? Ashnanas, look at your book. I didn't say to look at the screen. Everyone look at your own book. Look at your own book and read each and every lines loudly. Ashna, read the chapter.
Ma'am.
Yes.
R-E-D-Y.
Ari?
R-E-D-R-E-A-D-Y.
Ready. Getting ready. Get ready.
Ready.
Ready, Hawa. Prepare yourself before going to anywhere.
Okay.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, what is a campus?
Campus. Campus mean school campus, building campus. Campus mean a building and its related area. School campus mean school, all the rooms with corridor, playground, it's all together known as school campus. Achha. Arohi, yes. Yes, Arohi.
ম্যাম আমার ভুল করে আমার হ্যান্ড প্রেস হয়ে গেছে
Okay, okay. But speak in English, okay? Say that, ma'am, by mistake, I raised my hand by mistake. Yes, Shivangni.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed reading.
Okay, no need to tell me. Achonika, what are you doing? I just said, now student, don't raise your hand just to inform me that, ma'am, I have completed my reading. I can see who are reading and who are not. Very good. Yes, Armin.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of principal?
Principal. You should ask me, ma'am, who is the principal? Principal is a person who is head of a school, head person of a school, who takes all decision, academic decision.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Rihan.
কি করে?
What?
পিয়ন কি করে?
No, I will not give you answer. Ask me the same thing in English. This is not Bengali class.
ম্যাম পিয়ন।
Peon. Yes, peon. Yes, peon. Ask me the question. Make a sentence and then ask me. You cannot ask me, ma'am, peon. What does? Listen to me very carefully. What does a peon do? What does a peon do? কি করে in English কি? What does a
Okay,
peon?
ma'am.
What does a sweeper do? A peon rings the bell in school. Rings the bell. Ghanta. Rings the bell in a school.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ashna.
Ma'am, I am reading completed.
I am reading completed. What kind of English this is? I have completed my reading. And I just said
I have completed.
no need to raise your hand if you have completed your reading. No need to do it. I can see who are reading really and who are not. Okay, so your homework is for today. Read this chapter, each and every sentence. Tomorrow a classwork will be given to you from this chapter. I can give you Shamprikta. This is not dancing class. So I can give you true, false or fill in the blank. So anything I can give you from this chapter. So read the chapter very carefully today. Okay. And we will also do the exercise tomorrow. Okay. Chalo. Yes, Shamprikta.